Today, I'll show you how to quickly remove the rear exterior door handle on the Hyundai Elantra 7th generation. Let's get started. First, open the rear door. You'll see a small black plastic cover on the edge of the door. Carefully remove this cover using a plastic trim removal tool. I recommend using a plastic tool instead of a metal screwdriver to avoid scratching or damaging the paint. Once the cover is removed, you'll have access to the retaining bolt inside the door. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, loosen this bolt completely. Don't worry, the bolt is designed to stay inside the door, so it won't fall out. Just continue loosening it until it is fully released. After that, gently pull the door handle outward and then slide it toward the right side of the vehicle. You'll hear a small click as the handle disengages from its mounting points. Now, you can simply pull the door handle out and remove it from the door. And that's it. That's how you remove the rear exterior door handle on the Hyundai Elantra 7th generation. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching.